Hey guys, my girlfriend has just got here from the Philippines and she's wanting a bidet or a butt sprayer or whatever you want to call it. This one says it's a 2 spray modes handheld sprayer kit. They did ship it this way. There's no box, no other wrapping, and they put this shipping label right here. I scraped some of it off, but that's what you're going to be able to see. I'm going to go ahead and flip it over, let you guys see the back. So this specific one gives you 2 different options for spraying. And showing you the adjustable, there's a little lever on here that you can adjust the water pressure as well. So this is to save paper, adjustable pressure, anti-leaking, high quality material, easy installation, and elegant appearance. So we're going to go ahead and open this thing up, do a little unboxing before I go ahead and install it. So right here shows you how to install it. Looks like it's pretty straightforward. I'm not going to mount it to the wall. I'm probably just going to hang it to the toilet. You'll see how we like it. Here's that valve, and then this will be that water pressure valve, so you can turn it off, and you can also adjust the water pressure. Here's that little holder thing that you can hook onto the side of the toilet. Even gives you your screws if you want to install it to the wall. Gives you plumbing tape to put around these fittings. There's the handheld sprayer. And this also, I believe, is going to be the adjuster level as well, then just on and off. We'll see when we hook it up. And here's the cord. We're calling it a shower tube. And it's pretty nice. Looks like they're going to have some fittings here. We're going to have to take off. Well, there you have it. So now I'm going to go ahead and hook this up for you guys. Before I head into the bathroom to hook this up, I'm going to go ahead and wrap the plumbing tape around my threads instead of doing it in there. A few good wraps around it. This tape isn't as good as the regular tape that you buy in the white and blue. Okay, there was 2 of these inside here. On this paper it only shows one here, so I don't know if this is supposed to fit over that, but we'll see when we get in there. And these, you'll screw it out. So it says, I'm turning it where it says to go on, but that's actually spun out. And there's also rubber bushings inside there. So that's probably why they're in there, is to keep those rubber bushings in there. Spin that on off. One in there. I'm going to go ahead and hook one side up. Let's see if it has a... Looks like it'll be this one going down here. So I'll go ahead and tighten that one up in here. And then I'll go ahead and hook up this one. There's a rubber bushing there, so I'm not going to go ahead and put thread tape on that. tight. Alright, so now I'm going to be taking off into the bathroom. Alright, the first thing we're going to do is get down in here behind the toilet and turn off that water. Turned off. And now we're going to flush the toilet a few times to get that tank empty. We're just going to hold it until that water flows out of there. So we're going to have some leakage. So give me that towel. Now I'm going to go ahead and turn this off that water bowl or tank. Not too bad for leakage there. Got this over here. I'm going to put one rubber seal in there. Get that pretty tight there. And then, since this is already rubber seal there, but that's probably why they sent this other one, because some of them may not have a rubber seal. This one does, so I'm just going to hook this one back up right on the bottom without a rubber seal. But you may have to use that rubber seal. Okay, that doesn't feel super tight, but that's as far as this will tighten up. And I feel like I should be able to get another. I want to put a little bit more turn on that. You want to go get me in that drawer, there's a crescent wrench, adjustable wrench. Okay, now I'm going to go ahead and turn you guys up to the top so you guys can see me put this little lever up here. I'm going to just slide this lid up, drop it right there, drop that lid back down, and it doesn't look like mine's going to fit that well. So there we go. And then this is just going to hang in there somehow. Like it hangs in there like that. When I get done doing this completely, I'll move completely out and let you guys see what it looks like. Okay, got the adjustable wrench. Gonna move you guys back down here. Just gonna adjust this to fit on this. Let's see. Oh, maybe not. Adjustable doesn't go that way. But we're just gonna go ahead and turn it right as I can by hand. Alright, turn this water back on. See if we have any leaks. No leaks down here. Let that tank fill up before I even start this. Go ahead and move you guys back over here. Bring you guys up so we can see that sprayer in action. You can also adjust the pressure here as well. And there as well. Most people are going to turn this on high and leave it on high and adjust it right here, I believe. You turn this whole head, adjust the sprayer. That's good. Get you back up over here. don't have any leaks. So there we go.